Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to pin comments on reels and posts on Instagram. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So pinning a comment means that you are keeping that comment as the topmost priority and you are letting all others see that particular comment on your Instagram post or reels. So to do this, all you gotta do is simply open your Instagram and go to your profile. Now you can simply select any of the posts or reel you want to pin the comment of. So once you've selected that particular reel or post, you can simply tap on the comment section. Now you can find comments over there. Simply tap hold that particular comment that you want to pin, and there you can get the pin button. Now you can see that a pin box mark will appear right besides the name of that particular person which you have pinned. Now this is how you can simply pin comments on Instagram reels and posts. Now you can also follow the same way to unpin that particular comment as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.